Hello and welcome to the first Computer Dudes screencast. Today we're going to be going over something real simple, which is basically how to prepare your computer to better handle all the stuff that it downloads after browsing the internet for a while. So what happens with a computer is it basically downloads a bunch of temporary files, cookies, all that stuff, so that your computer can run faster and Facebook remembers who you are. But after a while, it can really start to slow your computer down. So what we're going to learn today is basically a nice little program um, that will basically take care of that for you and delete all that stuff for you. The program is called CCleaner. So go ahead and look for it on Google, and there it is, the first hit. And it's a pretty simple program. Go ahead and click on the downloads link. I like to go right here down to the filehippo.com link and just download the latest version. So I'll go ahead and do that. Looks like it's gonna download. Oh look, it's asking me go ahead, save. Go ahead and download it on your downloads folder, save. After a while it's gonna save. By the way, that little bar down here is it's a Firefox plugin called Download Status Bar, which is really cool. We'll go over what that is and how to use that on another screencast. Go ahead and double click on it. It's going to ask you, do you want it to run? Yes. And it's going to set up. Alright, yes, we want the English one. Click next. Sometimes they try and trick you into downloading Chrome or something. If you already have it, it won't ask you. If you don't have it and you don't want it, just make sure to click out of that. Go ahead and run Cleaner. And this is basically how the program looks like. Really simple to use. It has right here the cleaner option and also to clear the registry, which is also important after what this is good for is for when you install and uninstall a bunch of programs. It creates a lot of unnecessary stuff in the registry that just makes it boot up slower and start slower. So we're in cleaner. Um, let's go ahead and let's do registry first. Let's go to scan for issues. And this might take a while, depending on how much stuff you actually have on your computer. While it's doing this, I'll go ahead and let you know that we just went through a redesign with my website, computerdudeservices.com. So go ahead and give it a visit. This screencast will be on that blog, so Facebook it, like it, share it, let your friends know. I'll be posting a lot more stuff about how to basically avoid getting viruses. Maybe I'll do some screencasts on the design process that I use for my web design and logo design, so that if you're into that kind of stuff, really cool, and definitely you can follow me there. Right now it's at 44%, so let's see. Still doing it. It's probably going to take a couple more seconds. We'll go ahead and cancel scan. That's good. So that's all that it found so far. Then you go to fix selected issues, and it's going to ask you if you want to back up the registry. It's always good to select yes, because for whatever reason, if it made a change that you didn't want to change, well, you already have that backup there, so you just double click on it, and it reload back into the registry. So save in your documents, fix all selected issues, and boom, just like that, it clears everything. Now let's go back to the CCleaner, and it's going to be the same thing. You're going to hit analyze, and it's going to again, search for all those temporary. Right here is what it's searching: temporary internet files, history, cookies, recently typed URLs. By the way, if you don't want, for example, if you want to keep your history, just uncheck it. For example, in applications, I unchecked everything from Firefox except for session, because I want my download history. I want to keep it. I want to keep my cookies and my internet history, because I do a bunch of stuff that I want to go back to. So you can always do that as well. But if not, just let everything run by default. It says 87.3 megabytes to be removed. So it sounds about good. We'll go ahead and it's going to ask you again to confirm. Yes, I want to delete all those unnecessary bad files that are just slowing my computer down. So yeah, there we go. That's how it is. There are some other nice, handy features of CCleaner. You can uninstall. You can change your startup options, but we'll go a little bit more into detail on that on another screencast. For now, I'm the Computer Dude, and thank you for watching my screencast.